Copyright protection affects nearly everyone in today's digital world. Whether you're creating content or consuming it, understanding copyright law is essential to avoid legal pitfalls and protect your creative work. A copyright is a legal protection given to content creators and artists that provides ownership of their work. When someone creates a story, artwork, or software, copyright gives them exclusive rights to use and distribute that work for a specific period. Many types of creative works qualify for copyright protection. These include literary works like stories, poems, and articles, artistic works such as paintings and sculptures, films and television shows, musical compositions, live performances, and even computer software and hardware. To qualify, these works must demonstrate at least a minimal degree of creativity. However, not everything can be copyrighted. Facts, ideas, methods of operation, and systems cannot be claimed under copyright law. Additionally, government works, short phrases, titles, and works in the public domain are exempt from copyright protection. When you own a copyright, you gain several exclusive rights. You can reproduce your work, create derivative works based on the original, display your work publicly, sell copies, and perform the work in public. These rights belong solely to you as the creator, unless you legally transfer them to someone else. The fair use doctrine creates important exceptions to copyright protection. This allows limited use of copyrighted material without permission for purposes like criticism, education, news reporting, research, and parody. Courts evaluate fair use based on 4 factors: the purpose of the use, the nature of the copyrighted work, the amount used, and the effect on the market value of the original work. Copyright also grants economic rights to creators. As a copyright holder, you can benefit financially by allowing others to reproduce your work, perform it publicly, translate it, broadcast it, or create derivative works based on it. For example, when a novel becomes a movie, the filmmaker obtains permission from the author, but then owns the copyright to the film adaptation. In some countries, moral rights protect the integrity of creative works. These include the right to claim ownership, publish anonymously, and object to uses that damage the work's perception or the creator's reputation. While moral rights are recognized in Europe and other regions, they're not fully incorporated into United States copyright law. Copyright duration varies based on when the work was created. For works made after January 1st, 1978, copyright protection lasts for the creator's lifetime, plus 70 years. Anonymous works, or those made for hire, are protected for 95 years from publication, or 120 years from creation, whichever is shorter. International copyright protection depends on national laws, though agreements like the Berne Convention, TRIPS Agreement, and WIPO Copyright Treaty help ensure rights across multiple countries. These treaties generally provide foreign authors the same protections as local creators, though enforcement varies by country. Interestingly, registration is not required to have copyright protection. The moment you create an original work, it's automatically protected. However, registering your copyright provides significant advantages, including creating a public record of your claim, allowing you to file infringement lawsuits, and potentially recovering legal fees in successful cases. Copyright infringement occurs when someone uses another person's work without permission. This federal crime carries serious penalties, ranging from $200,000 to $150,000 per infringement, plus legal fees and court costs. Infringement can happen knowingly or by mistake, so understanding copyright law is crucial for everyone. To avoid infringement, ask yourself key questions before using or sharing content. Did you create the work yourself? Do you have permission from the copyright owner? Have you sold or transferred the rights to someone else? Does fair use apply to your situation? These questions help determine whether you're respecting copyright law. The digital age has created new copyright challenges. When creating podcasts, audiobooks, or other recordings, ensure you're not using copyrighted scripts, music, or audio without permission. Everyone involved in creating content should understand their rights and responsibilities under copyright law. Understanding copyright protection is essential in today's content-driven world. Whether you're a creator, protecting your work, or someone using others' content, knowing the boundaries of copyright law helps you navigate the creative landscape legally and ethically.